Hello everyone, and thank you for over 100 subscribers. I wanted to take a quick moment to talk about the channel and where I am planning to go with it, and to thank everyone who has subscribed and watched my videos so far. So welcome back if you are a subscriber or have watched a previous video, and welcome if you're a new viewer. I started this channel to just have fun in my spare time sharing with the world how my tabletop journey was going, from basically starting at fresh, having done nothing tabletop related before, except for maybe a D&D one-shot, to, well, I don't know how far we'll go with this thing. My very first video on this channel, as some of you know, was my very first Warhammer set. It was a Tau Kill Team set, and I've continued to make some videos since then, the most popular of which was a free terrain video where I made terrain from rubbish and recycling, which is probably why a lot of you are here watching this video now. So I wanted to take a moment to just thank everyone who has subscribed and everyone who has been watching my videos and commenting. It really encourages me and has given me so many more ideas of what I want to share with people and what I want to build and what I want to create, and I hope my videos have also given some people some of the same kind of ideas. So here's what I'm hoping to do with the channel. I'm going to continue making videos on everything I do tabletop play-wise, or at least I'm going to try and make videos on everything I do, which will include building and painting and basing minis that I've been making or that I will be making to add to my armies or to make new armies. It will include any kind of prep I do for D&D or other role-playing games if I get into that kind of stuff. And due to the extreme amount of support I got from the single video, I will make even more trash to treasure style DIY free terrain videos, which I'm very excited about. I'm very, very happy that everyone liked that video, and it did much better than I ever would have expected. I'll try and come up with more easy to access DIY terrain creation videos that have different ideas. Some of the comments I'm seeing, I'll try and incorporate those. I've been getting ideas from other places as well. And eventually I do want to get into 3D printing. I know not everyone who has seen the free terrain video is into that. Some people like the old style or doing rubbish. So I'll never give up on the DIY style stuff. I want to create some content that everyone can kind of recreate or access on their own. So I'll never give up on the DIY style things, but I do want to get into 3D printing. And a little fun fact is I'm a 3D artist myself, actually. So I'll probably be making some of my own terrain, maybe. Just as a quick sneak peek of the next few videos on the channel, I have built and painted some stealth suits to add to my Tau army, starting to build up a larger army to maybe play regular 40k with eventually. So far I've only been building kill teams because it's more easy to access and you don't need as many points or armies or whatever. But eventually I do want to build up a pretty large Tau army. So I have some stealth suits I've already got footage for, as you can see here. I am also currently in the process of finishing up some Fellgore Ravagers that I purchased and wanted to play some kill team with. Here's a little sneak peek of that. And after I finish editing those two videos and making them and publishing them, I have another idea for a new free terrain video, so keep an eye out for that. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too. Thank you again to everyone who has been watching. It was really amazing seeing you all enjoy the videos I am making, and I hope you stick around for some more fun. See you next time.